We are going to do a brief tutorial on ExpertTA. So there's a couple ways you could get there. You could type in ExpertTA, all is one word, and except it helps if you say it right. Or another way you could do this is if you go to my website, which is Pick Physics, and you go to the ExpertTA login. Notice there's also a Mastering Physics login. So log in here. You'll type in, I believe, your email or whatever your username is. You'll have to type in the password you chose. Mine's already in here, so it's remembering that. And then the only class you'll have would be either AP Physics C if you're in it, and that's 2021, or AP Physics 2. And I don't know why they're doing Roman numerals 2, but they are. So the first assignment is going to be how to learn things. If you click on this, there's a bunch of things you could do. I'm not sure if you have all these, because I don't think you do, because mine says create assignment. But you should be able to take the assignment, and you should be able to view a printable assignment. A lot of times I like to print something off and do the scratch work on that and then type things in. But for right now, if I wanted to take the assignment, I'd go ahead and I'd watch this video, and then I'd answer that question and hit submit. One of the things is you can access hints and feedback, and the hints and the feedback, each time you access those, it deducts a tiny little bit off of your score, but not much. You get up to 7 attempts most times to answer things. And there's 3 questions here. You could start on 1, you could start on 2, you could start on 3. So when I assign you most of the time problems during the year, what will happen is there will be randomized numbers in there. So if you have to solve something mathematically, you have a different answer than anyone else in class, but your methodology should be the same. So I would strongly encourage you to still work with people. You definitely want to try all attempts. If you give up without trying all attempts, that doesn't look good. If you don't get it right, but you use all 7 attempts, that looks much better for you. The other thing is I can access and see when you made your attempts. So if you make all your attempts within 30 seconds, that doesn't look so great. You're just guessing. The deadline when things are due, you can't submit after that. So you can look at the answers. So the ExpertTA will show you answers both before and after the due date and due time. But if you look at the answers ahead of time, at least the way my parameters are set up, you won't get any credit for that. So at any rate, I'm not going to do this right now. This won't take too long. Other assignments will take a little bit longer, but these will help you learn how to put in numbers and how to type things in. ExpertTA does give a fairly narrow range. I think it's only 1% in terms of the range of answers it accepts, so you don't want to round too much. I'll log out of that, and I will quit out of that.